The result of the Secondary School Certificate SSC and Equivalent Examination 2024 were published across the country on Sunday. The overall pass rates in different education boards of the country are 89.13% in Dhaka, 82.80% in Chattogram, in Borishal 82.80%, 79.20% in Kumilla, 78.40% in Dinajpur, 92.32% in Jashore, 89.25% in Rajshahi, 73.35% in Sylhet, and 84.97% in Moimising. The SSC and equivalent examination under 9 general education boards started on February 15th and ended on March 12th. The practical ended on March 20. A total of 20,24,192 students appeared for the SSC and equivalent examinations under the 11 education boards.
এক দুই তিন ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।